In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and verify a suspended Google business profile. If your Google business profile has been suspended, the first thing to understand is that verification is a key part of getting your profile back into good standing. So in this walkthrough, we're going to focus on how to access your profile, start the verification process, and choose the method that works best for your business. Begin by going to Google Search and signing in to the Google account that manages your business profile. Once you're logged in, search for your business or access your profile through the business management view. From there, look for the option that says Get Verified and click it to begin. Google may offer you one or several verification methods depending on your business type, your profile history, and what Google is able to confirm automatically. It's important to follow the prompts exactly as they appear on your screen because the available options can vary from one business to another. One common option is video recording. If this method appears, you'll use your mobile phone to record a continuous, unedited video that is usually under 2 minutes. The goal is to show Google that your business is real, located where you say it is, and actively operating. Make sure your video includes the exterior of the location, nearby street signs if visible, proof that you manage the business, such as unlocking the front door, and proof of operations like tools, inventory, branded materials, or work equipment. Try to keep the video steady and clear, since a clean recording can help avoid delays. Another option is a live video call. In this case, you'll connect with a Google support representative in real time, typically through Google Meet. During the call, you'll be asked to show the same kinds of proof: your location, your access to the business, and evidence that the business is operational. Before starting, it helps to be physically present at the location and ready to move around with your phone. If your profile is eligible, you might also see phone or SMS verification. With this method, Google sends you a verification code by automated call or text message. In some cases, email verification may also be available, and a code will be sent to the business email associated with the profile. Another possible option is postcard verification. If Google offers this, a physical postcard with a code will be mailed to your registered business address, and it can take up to 14 days to arrive. Once you receive your code or complete your video verification, follow the remaining prompts to finish the process. Make sure every detail on your profile is accurate and consistent, because that can improve your chances of a successful verification.